At Alkane Truck Company, we continually think about the future of energy in our country. What if we could create something that is as dynamic as it is practical? Something that could change American trucking as we know it. Those thoughts were formulated 5 years ago. The solution was a simplified business model that brings to the market a streamlined form of manufacturing and distribution. We use the highest quality parts and components available, which were produced in other companies' expensive manufacturing facilities. These facilities often could cost upwards to $500 million, and we have avoided that expense. We eliminated the high costs associated with the large investment of buildings and equipment. Our suppliers make the parts. We engineer, certify, and assemble them in America into one-of-a-kind clean-burning vehicles. Vehicles powered with a domestic fuel, liquid propane. We have transformed trucking in America with 3 unique vehicles, all powered with liquid propane. A Class 7 delivery truck, a Class 8 or 18-wheeler truck, and a unique one-of-a-kind Alkane Dominator, a 4-wheel drive humvee-style vehicle. Why are we seeking capital? For several very important reasons: inventory, engineering, and development. The greater we can accelerate that process and the inventory is at our assembly plant, well, the quicker we can get our trucks to our dealer network and to our end users. Our dealers are there, the end users are there, and the demand for clean-burning trucks is there. We thought about the future and what we ourselves could do to bring about change. Together, we can provide American jobs, provide cleaner air for generations to come, and create a culture of energy independence. Join us in our journey to change the future. We invite you to be part of the potential success of Alkane Truck Company. Together, let's move this country forward to a brighter future.